William Ruto has already started popularizing the Jubilee flag bearer in the forthcoming Kibra by-election footballer McDonald Mariga. Now, the deputy president, who was at Moi Girls School, Nairobi, made an impromptu visit to the area where he met locals and promised to come back on the campaign trail for the candidate. Now, meanwhile, the Wiper Party will not be fielding a candidate in the Kibra mini poll. And as KTN senior political reporter Chris Thairu tells us, from the ground, the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission, that is IEBC, has already gazetted the names of 9 independent candidates.
High-powered delegation.
Less than 24 hours after the National Elections Board in the ruling Jubilee Party unveiled international footballer McDonald Mariga as their preferred flag bearer in the Kibra parliamentary by-election, Deputy President William Ruto, who also doubles up as the deputy party leader of Jubilee, made an impromptu visit to the sprawling slums of Kibra, where he was welcomed by the locals.
Mimi naona jamaa hapo, kuna jamaa hapo anasema yes, lakini nitarudi ama niaje? Mnataka tuseme ukweli?
The deputy president, who had just launched a new 580-bed dormitory at the Moi Girls High School in Kibra to replace the burnt-down dormitory that left 7 students dead, promised to make a comeback this Saturday for a well-planned campaign meeting and accompanied by Mariga.
Nyinyi mko na nafasi siku gani? Sunday. Haya, wewe nyinyi pangeni Sunday. Ndio tupange vile tunaweza kuja hapa kwenu. Sawa sawa.
While presenting his nomination papers before the Elections Board, Mariga dismissed the reports being peddled in Kibra that is a project of the deputy president and that is not interested in winning the seat but spoiling for ODM party.
No, situmii na mtu. That's my decision, na situmii na mtu. Yeah.
Mbona kuna interest sana Kibra?
No, because I want to give back to the community.
You can do it elsewhere. Why Kibra?
Yeah, I want Kibra because I know what people vile wanaishi, what they go through.
Leo nilikuwa nimekuja maneno ya masomo, lakini tutarudi kuongea hiyo ingine ama nyinyi muko chonjo, muko rada, muko masaa.
And while ODM party continue to prepare to hold their party primaries this Saturday, Wiper Party, through their national chairman, Ali Chirao Mwakwere, has already announced that the party will not field a candidate. Among the ODM aspirants include DJ of reggae music Chris Darlin, ODM National Youth Chairman Benson Musungu, Tony Ogola, and Peter Ochieng Orero. Already, IEBC has gazetted the names of 9 independent candidates who will battle it out with candidates sponsored by political parties. Chris Thairu, KTN News.